We went on Himachal trip on June 2019. We went to Chandigarh from UAE and started our trip with the famous Rock Garden. It is a sculpture garden also known as Neakchand Rock Garden. Neakchand Saini started the garden in 1957. It is spread over an area of 40 acres. It is completely built from industrial and home waste and discarded items. The rock garden is appeared on an Indian stamp in 1983. Then next we visited the Rose Garden, which is a botanical garden spread over 30 acres of land with 50,000 rose bushes of 1600 different species. The garden has not only roses but also trees of medicinal value. Then we started our journey for Shimla and reached by the end of the day. Next day, we went to Kufri, which is a small hill station in Shimla. There were various adventure activities which we enjoyed a lot. Then we went to Shimla Mall Road, which is the main street in Shimla. We tasted various street food and done shopping over there. The next day we headed to Dharmshala. First we visited Bhagsunath temple, which is an ancient temple of Lord Shiva. Then with a walkable distance of 5 minutes we went to Bhagsunath waterfall. Then we went to Dalai Lama temple, which is famous for its beauty. You can always find monks in red and yellow. Inside the temple there is a statue of Buddha. Then we visited to Kangra Art Museum, which is home to various arts and crafts of the Kangra Valley. It includes gallery of miniature paintings and rich collection of pottery, sculptures and painting from 5th century. Then we headed to War Memorial. During the operations of peacemaking missions, many soldiers lost their lives and it was in their memory that the War Memorial was built. At the end, we went to Cricket Association Stadium and started our journey for Dalhousie. Next day, we started our day by visiting Kajir. It is also known as Mini Switzerland of India. It is 1 hour from Dalhousie. There I went for paragliding, but in my suggestion it's a big no. It's really scary and lacks in protection and safety levels. Then we went to Kala Top. It has a very beautiful scenic view from there, and that was the end of our Himachal trip.